Hello everyone and welcome to SlideUpLift. Today we're going to learn how to create a visually stunning word cloud like this. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open up a brand new blank slide in PowerPoint. Now you'll see these little text boxes or placeholders on the slide. We don't need those for our word cloud, so let's get rid of them. A quick way to do this is by pressing Ctrl+A to select everything on the slide and then hitting the Delete key. Now we're going to insert an image as a background. Go up to the Insert tab on the ribbon, that's this division between these two pages at the top, and click on Pictures. Now choose the image you want to use as your background. Now adjust the background. Now let's add our first word. We'll start with 2025. Go back to the Insert tab and click on Text Box. Type in 2025. Since this is the word that defines our theme for this word cloud, it needs to be big and bold. Select the text, change the font, and click the Bold button. And increase the font size. Change the font color. Next, add the text box. Press Ctrl+C to copy and then Ctrl+V to paste. Now, drag this copied text box to a new area on the slide. We're going to replace the text in this new text box with our next word. We've created a sheet with the most frequently used words and how often they appear. So we'll pick our next word based on that. Now let's repeat this process for all our words. Remember, the size of each word should reflect its frequency. Now arrange all the text perfectly. So if a word is used a lot, we'll make it larger. If it's used less, we'll keep it smaller. Let's go ahead and do that for all our words. Okay, now that we have all our words on the slide, let's arrange them nicely. We want to create that cloud effect. This is where you can get creative and have some fun. Now duplicate the slide. Okay, now go back to the first slide. We're going to move all the text boxes off the slide as shown. This creates a really cool effect with the morph transition. Finally, the magic ingredient, the morph transition. Go to the Transitions tab and click on Morph. And there you have it. A beautiful dynamic word cloud. Isn't that awesome? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SlideUpLift. Hit that bell icon to get notified for our next video. You can check out our channel for more PowerPoint tutorials.